How should we eat if we just want to live healthy and live for a long time?
Ah, what an enigma. There are so many recommendations out there, some even providing contradicting information. It gets quite confusing.
This is so true. For example, intermittent fasting, paleo diet, keto diet, vegan diet, South Beach diet, Mediterranean diet, DASH diet, Western diet. Oh, and talking about food, I just got hungry.
Here is a plan for you.
Uy,
You know what? Let's ask the experts.
who are those?
The ones who manage to live a long life and healthy at the same time. Dan Buettner, the founder of the Blue Zones, has been doing just that, asking the experts. Along with the National Geographic's 5 places around the world were identified as having high concentration of centenarians who managed to grow older without diseases like obesity, cancer, heart disease, and even diabetes.
Is the Philippines one of those places?
Nope, sorry.
Oh,
Neither Colombia. Icaria in Greece, Okinawa in Japan, Ogliastra region in Sardinia, Loma Linda in California, and Nicoya Peninsula in Costa Rica.
let's explore their eating habits. We gotta learn from them.
The longevity diet is based on these 5 principles we are going to explore right now.
Number 1, eat beans every day. Beans are consumed by all centenarians.
All?
Yes, all of them. Everyone. 100%.
Wow. Beans must be in our daily meal choices then.
Yes, and we can pick our favorite. Okay,
My favorite one is lentils since I was a little kid. What about you?
me, I like the chickpeas, this one.
And beans have fiber, they have protein, they have complex carbohydrates, vitamins, minerals. It makes you full.
And they are cheap. Good return of investment. WHO did the study in 5 countries and found that eating 20 grams of beans daily reduced a person's risk of dying in any given year by 8%.
That's amazing. And we can add cooked beans to our salad, keep a variety of beans in our pantry, and cook them in different ways. Number 2, pick your beverages carefully. Most of the centenarians drink plenty of water. They also drink coffee, tea, and red wine.
Coffee lowers the risk of dementia and Parkinson's disease. Before meeting my Colombian wife, I did not drink any coffee. Now, I drink more than her.
The recommendation with water is 8 glasses of water a day, which can be fit in my jar. Fill it up in the morning and make sure that it's empty at the end of the day. And you can put some flavor on it, like pineapple. Now, when it comes to tea, that is something I have learned to drink with my Asian husband. Green tea is proven to lower the risk of heart disease and some cancers. You can do rosemary, oregano, sage, chamomile, dandelion, you name it.
But the best beverage is definitely the red wine.
I knew it. 1 glass of red wine per day.
Number 3, aim to a 95% plant-based diet. Eat lots of vegetables, many different ones. Mix them, play with them, enjoy them. They have vitamins, polyphenols, iron, and many essential nutrients.
And fiber. It's good to try them all and then you pick your 3 favorite. What are yours?
Mine, I would say it would be the cauliflower, Chinese bitter melon, eggplant. What about you?
Beets. They are so delicious. You can eat them all. Onions, yeah, and the peppers.
And instead of giving a little piece of your plate to vegetables, try to allot about maybe half of your plate.
We have plantains, we have the cassava and the potatoes, avocados, we have the corn, squash, bok choy, and then you can also use sauces like soy sauce, vinegar, balsamic vinegar, mustard.
And you know what? Middle-aged people who eat a cup of cooked greens daily were half as likely to die in the next 4 years than those with no greens.
So keep your favorite veggies close by, visible, and in good supply.
Number 4, eat lots of fruits. Try new ones.
Keep a bowl in the dining table with fruits easily to reach and eat as a snack. Like the mangoes, the pineapple, and the mandarins. Delicious.
Like the watermelon. This guy here, this hairy guy is called rambutan. And then dragon fruit. I like.
We have the bananas, and then we have the melon and the pears.
There's some grapes there.
The plum, like the one I gave you earlier. And we have over there
some
oranges,
strawberries, cherries, blueberries,
grapes,
papayas, star fruit, or we call them a carambola as well.
Deal as a snack, also as a dessert, frozen recipes like ice cream and shakes.
People who eat a fruit daily were 60% less likely to die during the next 4 years than those who didn't.
1 apple a day keeps the doctor away. In shakes, you can blend fruits with vegetables and get a whole new taste. Number 5, choose whole foods. I mean, not highly processed foods, raw fruits and vegetables, no artificial preservatives.
Right. Avoid factory-made foods, foods wrapped in plastic, or pre-made meals.
Whole food, oatmeal. What do you think about bread?
For bread and arepas, instead of white flour, pick whole wheat, whole rye, or whole barley. In other words, if you can squeeze a slice of bread into a ball, are you able to squeeze it?
No.
It crumbles. This one is good. You can eat it. What do you think about snacks?
Actually, the Blue Zone Centenarians eat nuts. They eat almonds, and pistachios, cashews, walnuts. Nuts have a bunch of helpful ingredients, including copper, fiber, folate, vitamin E, and arginine.
Also, raisins, seeds like chia seeds, flax seeds, they're all full of omega-3.
There is pasta made of spinach, chickpea, quinoa. We have almond milk, soy milk. Options are unlimited.
Let's summarize our 5 longevity diet pointers.
Number 1, get a daily dose of beans.
Number 2, pick your beverages carefully.
3, aim to a 95% plant-based diet.
Number 4, eat lots of fruits.
Number 5, choose whole foods. The longevity diet will increase your energy level, improve the quality of your sleep, make your skin look healthy. It will make you feel good. Your stomach will feel satisfied. You can say to constipation bye-bye.
It is so healthy that many continue being active with their partners way after age 60. If you like what our presentation, make sure you click subscribe below
And give us a like. Bien. Es español. Don't get so close, amor. We still married, mi linda. There you go. In the peninsula of...
Nicoya.
How can I... Okay, no. Greece, Okinawa in Japan,
Oligastra.
Oligastra, Ogilastra.
Ogliastra.
Ogliastra. Okay.
Of these, what are your 3 picks?
So actually my favorite is the mango. I love pineapple. And then what's my third?
Mandarin. And talking about food, I just got so hungry.
I think I have a plan for you here.
Ooh!
Just supposed to grab it.
Why did you throw it away? Oops, hold on.
Oh.